Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing this short little video on the replacement door pockets for the JL and the JT. These are some I got for Christmas from my kids and wife off of Amazon. They're only the fronts, so that's all I got. Like I said, this is going to be short and sweet. We're working at the home shop or home garage today instead of out at the big shop. So let me spin you around here. I'll show you what I got. It ain't much, but we're going to see. All right. As y'all can see, these come in two pieces. You got to screw them together. You got a left and a right set. A bag of hardware and supposedly all the tools you need to put it in, and some instructions. Supposedly 4 easy steps. We're gonna find out. So let me get the door open on the truck and we'll get ready and start going. All right, I got the door open on the truck, but figured I better start with step one. We're going to follow along. Real simple. Line these up, put the screws in them, tighten them down. The Allen heads here, they look to be a, what is that, a 5/32, or you can use the one that it come with. That's all on you. Probably should have put a dab of Loctite on these, but it'd be okay. If they come loose, we'll do it next time. Okay, let's kick around here to the door and see what we got to do. Alright guys, you got two little T20s here on the bottom. We're going to yank them out. Perfect. Alright. Now it says you don't have to take the mesh out. I think I'm going to. Alright guys. I'm going to do something I probably shouldn't do. And I'm just going to cut it. So here's to hoping it works. All I'm doing is pulling it out as far as I can get it before I cut it. Good sharp knife goes a long way. Okay, it's out. Now it says all we got to do is line it up with the original bolt holes. Okay, I think I've got it figured out. I gotta get that tab in there. And this these bolt down tabs, they're kind of something else. But up front here, you got to kind of squeeze it to get it in. I had to loosen this up. That was part of my problem. All right, let me get the screws for the bottom. I'll finish tightening that by hand. All right. And then tighten this up. All right, it looks better for sure. I wish it would have attached a little better. Seems kind of flimsy to me, but we may be able to go back and modify it later if it does become a problem. But it does look a whole lot better. Let's jump inside and make sure the door closes. All right. Get some light on the subject. I don't know how well you can see, but that's awfully tight. But it does close. Okay guys, so that's all there is to it. Yeah, looking at these directions are pretty hard to see. I don't, at least with the set I have, I don't care for, oh, I forgot to tell you who these were. DIA Mookie is what it says. There's some China brand, which I have good luck with China stuff most of the time, so I ain't knocking it. I do wish the directions were a little clearer, but we're going to run them and see how they hold up, and maybe in a video at some point in the future I'll tell you what I think of them and whatnot after using them for a while. But otherwise, just remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.